How's your weekend?
Yeah, Fogo Island is like a different world. I haven't looked at my phone in days, and it's been bliss.
Look at that, Rex. It's official. We finally converted our city girl to island life.
We should probably go if we're gonna catch that ferry.
Nice to have you to myself this weekend.
Wow. Do you need some love too? Hey, is that what that is?
Yes. You should do what I did.
What's that?
Brought home an ex-canine dog to keep you company.
You're saying I should find myself a Rex?
Everybody needs a Rex.
Even when I'm not around. If there are boundaries, I will try to knock them down. I'm latching on, babe.
What happened on the island?
Oh, we don't have to.
No. This friendship is important to me, so I wanted to. And I don't want it to change.
I don't want it to change either.
Close enough. Could I lock in your love? Now I've got you in my space. I won't let go of you. Oh, got you shackled in my embrace.
Or you could stay here.
I meant it less. Just an elaborate ruse to keep me just living with you.
I'm so encaptured, got me wrapped up in your clutch. Feel so enamored, hold me tight within your touch.
I look ridiculous.
Oh, that's not true. I think you look beautiful.
Got me losing every breath. Why did you kiss me to make my heart beat out my chest? I feel we're close enough. Could I lock in your love? I feel we're close enough. Could I lock in your love? Oh, now I've got you in my space. I won't let go of you.
Getting ads for them.
Oh, that's a nice ring.
Do you want to look at it?
I'd love to. Oh, it's his.
I'm latching on to you. Latching on to you.